Alright guys, so we are here at the stream filming another video. Look at this beautiful stream. My sister just caught a huge brown trout.
I'm sorry that I'm holding it like this because I just don't have a net. So
that's a huge. Oh. She just caught a monster brown. I told you that.
Don't take it by the mouth.
You said it was
Just
a
take it
rainbow
straight.
trout. Yeah, I were gonna whip it.
No, I thought it was a rainbow trout.
Rainbow trout in here.
It's recovering.
I thought it was a sucker or something, but then I saw it up close, and then.
Wet your hands again?
Almost there. Almost there.
So, wet your hands.
I did.
See now it's stay straight. Means it's getting.
I accidentally didn't wash my other hand.
See, eyes start looking. Before eyes, we're not really looking anything. Oh, okay, she's ready. Yeah, take this. Okay, let me take the picture. Straight.
Here you go, buddy.
You okay, baby?
She's gonna find a way. You should have put it upstream.
That's better than a bass.
Alright guys, pretty successful day. We caught a brown trout, and it's our first time catching a brown trout here, so it's pretty special. My sister caught it, and me and my brother got skunked. So see you in the next.